How to remove yellow plaque without toothpaste, using this simple formula. In this video, we'll show you an easy and effective recipe to remove yellow plaque without using toothpaste. Using natural ingredients like salt, lemon, and aloe vera, you can achieve a brighter smile at home. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of salt juice of 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Instructions: 1. Prepare the mixture. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of salt with the juice of 2 lemons. Stir until the salt is dissolved. 2. Add aloe vera. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to the lemon and salt mixture. Mix well to create a smooth paste. Apply to your teeth. Using a toothbrush or your fingers, gently apply the paste to your teeth, focusing on areas with yellow plaque. Brush gently. Brush your teeth in circular motions for about 2 minutes, making sure to cover all surfaces. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse your mouth with water to remove the mixture. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Disclaimer: please consult your dentist before trying any at-home remedies, especially if you have sensitive teeth or gums.